Welcome to 4184 St. George Place in Riverside, Southern California. We'll be taking a look at a 3-bedroom, 2-bath, 1,022 square foot home sitting on a 7,000 square foot lot. This property here is centrally located, just minutes away from Cal Baptist University. It is located close to parks, schools, the 91 freeway, shopping centers, and so much more. Every bit of this home has been recently remodeled. It has luxury waterproof laminate flooring, new light fixtures, recessed lighting, new vinyl windows, new baseboards, toilets, doors, vanities in both restrooms. This home was built in the 1950s, but you're pretty much walking into a 2023 standard home. I would also like to add on what amazing craftsmanship they've done to this home and just the quality that they've put into it. Many times we go tour these flipped homes and it's literally a lipstick on a pig. All they do is just change the paint and the flooring, and that's about it. But this home has been remodeled, every bit of it. And I mean, even it comes with new appliances, so it looks like a 2023 new built home. Right there to my right is the laundry and dryer hookup. This door right here does lead to the detached 1-car garage and the backyard. And if you are thinking what I'm thinking, you can easily convert that garage into an extra bedroom or small studio and rent that out. Look at all that backyard space, perfect for a fiesta, family gatherings, or even adding an ADU. Something I would probably do is rent it out to any college students. Like I said, it's located very, very close to Cal Baptist University, or even rent it out to any family members if you feel comfortable. And this door here is its own separate entrance to the backyard and the 1-car garage. And that is it, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this home tour. If you guys would like to see more home tour videos, please subscribe, like, and comment. Until the next one.